NVNI stock analysis and NVNI stock prediction. What's next? I've spent 5,000 hours, thousands of dollars on mentors, courses over the last 4 years and documented everything. And I've been calling out 5, 10, 20x stock moves on here for years. So watch this short video till the end so you don't end up losing money and being confused. NVNI Group Limited stock, NVNI, whatever the pronunciation is on this NVNI stock, they absolutely blew up. Like, I'm talking 195% increase in price. Before that, we also like had a crazy little run up. I'm talking short squeeze, 4 days, 28x. People like dreaming getting involved in these types of moves. But I'm here to say like, yeah, like it's a 50 million market cap stock and there's like a lot of stuff going on. It's on the NASDAQ, so that's cool. Probably like could have been a pump up, you know, to not get the listed, but who knows. Now looking at NVNI, in situations like this, I'm just continuing with the trend. So I'm looking to double down on this. Doubling down does not mean immediately buying though. So that's why, like, once we open on Monday, this is a 15-minute chart. And I'm very open for longs as long as the price comes down. Doesn't even have to come down, but as long as there's like a proper 1 to 5 minute shift or Wyckoff accumulation in my area, then and only then I'm going to take things up. And if not, then I'm just not a big fan of longing this, and I'm more so just going to stay away and not do anything. You know, you don't have to force moves. Trading is 99%. You're waiting, you know, you're just showing up the chart to just draw, pretty much. Think of it that way. So yeah, very excited actually, very, very excited. If there's like enough volume and volatility this year, I can murder this. But if you want to make more money trading in a simple yet lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. And obviously, like, comments are not off limits to you, so you can check them out, see if anything interests you, and just, I want to hear your thoughts on NVNI down below. So please comment, you know, interact. Go. See ya and enjoy.